If you're looking to really take full advantage of the fantastic camera qualities in Apple's latest handsets, the iPhone 11, then you'll want to take a look at this, the PolarPro LiteChaser Pro Kit. The iPhone 11 Pro is able to take some shockingly high quality images or video nowadays, and there are a range of accessories out there designed to take advantage of those impressive lenses. None though as perfected as the PolarPro LiteChaser Kit. Available individually or in a range of configurations depending upon the filters you need, in essence the kit is comprised of 3 parts. The handset case, a grip attachment that adds comfort and versatility, and the filter attachments themselves. We have the polarizer filter in this package, although a range of filters are available depending upon the purchased kit and whether you're aiming for photography or videography use. The handset case forms the basis of the entire kit and available for all iPhone 11 Pro models. Here we have the 11 Pro Max case for the larger handset. Matte black in colour, sporting only the PolarPro branding on the rear, the case really does ooze quality. On the outer side we have a slightly rough texture, which certainly helps when it comes to grip, while on the inside we have a very smooth and soft feeling finish, ensuring the handset is fully cushioned at all times, while the lens area has a soft velvet type finish for the utmost protection. The main part of the case is flexible and almost feels like it's constructed primarily of a rubberized material. It feels really nice in the hand. The edges of the case are constructed of a tougher plastic. There's some flex there, but it's rather firm, ensuring the handset is held securely inside. With a firm push, the handset is cradled with the edges raising up off the screen slightly, ensuring the screen does not touch the surface if placed face down. We have a usual cutout for the rocker switch with all buttons being covered yet easily accessible, and an open bottom for access to the lightning port and speakers. Back on the rear we find precision cutouts for all camera lenses, microphone and flash, with this lens surround being the only part of the case constructed of metal, considering this is where we attach our chosen filter, which we'll come to in just a moment. All in all, we naturally add some overall bulk, but it makes the handset so much easier and grippier in the hand. I've been left really impressed with the quality too. Anyway, on both sides of the case we find these grooves, which are not only there for design but have been cleverly incorporated for the LiteChaser grip system. This grip system makes it much easier to hold your handset in a more camera-like fashion. Constructed primarily of metal and plastic with a rubber-coated finish, in essence what we have here is a dual clamp system with a single button to one side. To operate the button though, we slide the top piece across before pressing down and releasing the clamp, which can now be placed within the groove of the case we saw earlier. Here the clamp holds firm and can be adjusted according to the size of your hand and where you find the grip most comfortable. That rubberized finish really increases overall comfort too. Once in place, that sliding lock on the button ensures the grip doesn't move out of place, providing a more natural camera-like feel. On both the top and bottom we also find standard 1/4" 20 mounting points for attachment of accessories such as microphones to the top or a tripod to the bottom, although if using with a tripod it's a good idea to move the grip more towards the center for better balance. Either way, the system works really well and leaves one last piece of the puzzle, the filter. A range of filters are available depending on the purchased kit, although like the circular polarizer filter, all come complete in this handy filter case, which is small and light enough to carry easily in your pocket. Inside we find the filter itself with 4 nubs on the rear which line up with the 4 points on the metal lens surround on the case. Once in place, a simple twist holds the filter firmly in place, thanks to this small metal ball which locks into the groove on the filter. Secure enough to handle tough vibration, but easy enough to remove once you finish shooting, and more importantly, maintaining a very slim profile. With the filter cover removed, we reveal the signature PolarPro Cinema series glass that covers all camera lenses together, with this circular polarizer helping to reduce glare and reflections from water or glass in order to achieve deeper colors and more contrast from your shots. And with that quick attachment system, you'll be able to switch filters nice and easy, ensuring you never miss a shot, irrespective of whichever lens you're shooting through. All in all, the various parts of the LiteChaser system slot together easily, yet provide a strong hold once attached, almost feeling like a single piece and maintaining an impressively high comfort level, all while adding the versatility to attach tripods or other accessories too. With the high quality we've come to expect from PolarPro, if you're looking to get the most from your iPhone 11 Pro when it comes to shooting video or still images, then the PolarPro LiteChaser Kit comes well recommended.